Good morning, crewmates and crew members. Welcome back to the channel, LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. Guys, today we are back at the Outer Banks for a 9-day, 9-night trip. This is day one. Got in here last night, towed the boat down. Took around 6 hours, no big problems, made it fine. It's about 7 a.m. into September, and we are at Pirates Cove Marina here in Manteo. It's a beautiful morning. The sun's coming up. We're gonna start off probably fishing right around here and keep moving around till we can find some fish. Throw some dark and stormy, some top water maybe. I'm excited. It's a beautiful morning. Everybody wake up and get out and go fish. LCFC Last Cast Fishing Crew. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to start off right over here. This little bay area right here beside the boat ramp. We've had success there before. We're just going to hit and run until we find them. Keegan hooked up here.
Got the first game fish.
We got a little 12-inch small trout here. What we're using? Jerk shed. We get a little pick of them in the sun. He ain't worth measuring. Drop your hand down just a little bit more. Awesome. Keegan's on. A little small flounder bouncing on the bottom. Probably 12 inches. Good job. Well, we got a variety. We got a trout, we got a flounder, pinfish, and a lizardfish. Little 10-12 incher. Pretty little guy. Awesome. What is it? Trout or flounder? He's got him. Was it just a dead hit or did he have it? Yeah. Awesome. Dark and stormy. Tilt him down there. Little 10-incher. Awesome. Alright, Keegan just hooked up here. You need an Ed or you good? He's not giant, but he would keep if we were keeping flounder today. About 14 inches, 15 inches maybe. Fishing some shallow water and it's sandy over there. Little jerk shed. The sun hit him over here. Awesome. Baiting's on. What is it? Nice little redfish. A little fatty, isn't it? Beautiful little fish. It's a good picture right there. Good job, Peyton. Peyton caught a nice keeper trout. I was just changing my batteries. Nice fat fish. Probably about 16, 17 inches. Awesome. Popping that cork.
Alright, they gotta be a little bigger than that.
I thought that was gonna make it easy.
I thought it was easy too.
Little 8-incher. Awesome.
That might be the small one.
Alright guys, we are at the Outer Banks Kitty Hawk boat ramp. Getting ready to do a little sound fishing. Just unloaded the boat. Getting ready to see what happens here. Coming right to the boat. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. That's a big trout, Peyton. Scoop it. Yes. Nice. Let me get a picture of him.
You got a new colored print.
He's built funny. He's something bit him a long time ago. See his back? It's kind of jacked up. I worked hard for this fish, folks. Wind's been tough today. Small fish. Yeah, I got it. Alright. Caught a little bitty one here. He's a male. He's grunting like crazy. I think so, fight little guy.